Imagine a place where ancient traditions come to life. Where skilled hands shape history from humble clay. That place is Kolkata, India. And today I came here to uncover the mysteries behind the extraordinary craft of terracotta artisans. So come with me as we learn about their secrets and discover how each piece they make holds a special part of the past, just waiting for us to find it. And now let's meet the skilled artisans. With their hands they can tell stories of generations, and each piece is a testament of dedication and passion. Hello, namaste. You made? You? Wow. English?
No English.
No English? Oh.
Hindi.
Hindi, only.
This is structure and wood dust.
He's instructor.
This is structure.
Teacher.
Teacher.
Oh, and he's a student, yeah? Wow. Teacher, yeah? Namaste. I'm very sad because they don't speak English and I can't ask anything. Let's see the other shop. Terracotta here isn't just an art, it's a silent narrator of the city soul. From the intricate panels adorning temples to the small handcrafted figurines gracing the local houses, each piece is carrying the weight of cultural significance. How many hours?
4 days.
4 days. Each one, yeah? Wow. It's good. Dhanyawad. Thank you. Bye-bye. That's so cool, guys. So fascinating. Look, everywhere in this street is working with this. That's amazing. Look at this. What's your name? Name?
Tapas.
Tapas. Tapas. Hey, nice to meet you. Wow.
Africa बोला ना
Africa, North Africa. Yeah.
लेकिन बाल बनाया beautiful.
Thank you. Dhanyawad. Beautiful hair. One day?
Yeah.
One day?
One day लगता है.
All one day? All this one
All
day, yeah?
this one day.
It's insane, guys, that every place, every door, it's a workshop for terracotta. Look at this. We're making terracotta here. Sorry. This is another shop again. And this is another one. It's okay inside? Oh, Dhanyawad. English? No, in English, yeah? No English. English?
No.
They speak English, no. Okay. So look at the workshop here. Wow, it's so cool. And then, oh, look at this kitchen. It's cool, right? Look at this kitchen, so nice on the street. I feel like I love so much Kolkata. Like the vibe here is so chill, quiet, and I like sometimes to stay like this, you know. Place,
Basically, what happens, especially in our country, there are multiple festivals. Like
Yeah.
especially in our culture, Bengali culture, there's a saying where they say that we celebrate 13 festivals in 12 months. So that
Oh.
amount of festivals we celebrate.
So they need to prepare
So
for the
yeah, they need to
festivals.
prepare the idols for such festivals.
Uh-huh. And who is buying this? Like,
No, we don't bury them. Basically, there's a ghat nearby, which is
Okay.
a water body. So after the festival is done, after the complete celebration, they usually immerse the idol in the water body.
oh,
And after that, these workers only, they go by, they collect those structures again, and they again work on them.
guys, look at this. It's giant. How big it is, man. Look at these guys. How big is this one? Wow, 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 wow. Here's painting the. Here's painting and dressing. Those ones. Some celebration probably, or one of the next celebration. Hello, speak English? No. Oh, make a dress. Sorry, yeah. Sorry, here. Wow, I think it's a very hard job because you need to do the same thing for so many times, and at the same time you need to be so perfect. Everything you do has to be perfect, and that's why I think it's very hard job, you know, because look at those faces, they have to be all the same. And now let's see how they create those incredible statues. First of all, the artisans begin by creating a basic structure using wood, bamboo or other sturdy materials. And then they wrap straw around the wooden frame to create a solid and uniform base. This straw layer helps the clay stick smoothly. Using their hands and simple modeling tools, artisans apply the clay into the raw structure and shape the clay to create the desired form of the statue. Once the clay is applied, artisans add details to the statue by sculpting and modeling the surface to create features such as faces, clothing, or decorative elements.
How are you?
Oh, hello.
Hello.
Can I go inside? Can I see inside? I have to take off my shoes, yeah? What are you doing? Can I come? Oh, thank you. Huh? Okay. Okay. Oh wow. You don't speak English. No problem. Huh? He speak English? Tura tura. Oh. A little bit English. Can I? What is this? What are you doing? Sorry.
What is this topor?
Top. Oh, for the
head.
head. Yeah. Working. Time.
Working time.
Morning.
So, morning 9 o'clock,
9 o'clock.
evening 7.
Wow. And you do only this all day?
All day.
Oh wow. Okay. Every day same.
Lunchtime 1 p.m. to 2 p.m. 1 hour's lunchtime.
Only 1 hour. Why? No work.
No.
No much. Now because there is any festival.
Festival, Durga festival, Kali festival,
Okay.
Bengal, all Indian Puja festival.
And you sell? They sell this?
Sell-
Shop? This?
So, this is
Same owner.
same owner.
They do everything.
They
all
everything.
this. Okay. How many years you work? How many years?
Yes.
सितंबर अक्टूबर এটা বলছে কোন ইয়ারে
कितना
Time left there.
year when you start working?
Oh,
young?
here-
Young?
I am
মানে
20
কত বয়স
years.
দিয়ে কাজ
Huh?
করে
20 years.
20 years this job
This job.
here. Wow. Father, same job?
Same.
Father, father, same job.
Same job.
Everyone here, yeah. So their family, all their family, they do the same job, yeah.
জল দিয়ে টাইট হয়ে গেছে দিচ্ছে না মাছটা আসলে কোনাগুলো দিচ্ছে না নোড়া 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 করতে করতে আমার লাস্টে ঠাকুর লাগে
Wow, look at this. Wow, look how many. So many. Those are, so they put it on the head of those ones. Wow,
গণেশা
so beautiful, so beautiful.
পিকচার
No way, you watch from this picture. What an incredible day it's been exploring the world of terracotta here in Kolkata. Today, I've learned so much about this rich culture and the fascinating process behind it. If you enjoyed learning about terracotta as much as I did, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more captivating documentaries and cultural insights. Together, let's continue to explore the wonders of our world. Thanks for watching.